Hello and welcome. Today I want to share a product with you that we love. We use it multiple times every single day and we have for years. Not only that, but it's inexpensive. And that's why I want to recommend it as your go-to gift this year for all of those events where you're supposed to bring something. So what is it? It's called a milk frother. It spins extremely fast and it's typically used to turn milk into what looks like whipped cream, and that's used in coffee drinks. But what you're going to discover is that once you have one of these on your counter, you use it to stir everything. We use it for coffee drinks, we use it for tea, we use it for all kinds of powdered drinks. It spins so fast that it even takes all the lumps out of protein, which is really, really nice. So there's one more bit of advice I'd like to give you, and that's get one of these that has a lifetime warranty. We use ours like crazy, and they tend to last about a year, and then something will go wrong with them, or you'll drop it, or something will happen. So if you buy one with a lifetime warranty, when that happens, you just pay for shipping, and they'll send you another one. You'll have a brand new one in a couple days. This one I've replaced under warranty 3 times, and the company's been absolutely outstanding. So I'm going to put a link to this one below. I highly recommend it, and I really hope that I have simplified your holiday season. So if you enjoyed this video, or if you learned anything, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. That makes the algorithm happy, and it helps me out greatly. And then that way I can give you some more tips in the future. So thank you very much.